Real estate agents and team leaders, are you tired of paying $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 a month to a VA and you want to replace them for a few $100s using AI? Today we're going to talk about 5 tools that can do that. Let's go. Okay, so I'm going to give you 2 bangers right out the gate. Now it's going to count as 1. I'm going to give you a bonus right now. So do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button to learn about all the AI tools that you can use in real estate. Okay, so number 1 is going to be smartwriter.ai. What this is going to do is going to automate all your follow-ups. So it can send out automatically your text, your emails, your direct messages, anything like that. It's going to automate using your voice, using your tone, using your style. So if you need to follow up with agents, transaction coordinators, other clients, it's going to automate all that. The other thing you can do is use something called Schedule Hero. Okay, this is going to automate essentially all your incoming or outbound calls. So if you're cold calling potential home buyers or sellers, if you're getting an influx in leads, maybe you're running ads or you're killing a social media game and your phone's just ringing off the hook and you're having your VA handle all this stuff, Schedule Hero is going to replace that. So it's an AI bot, but it does not sound AI. I've used it, I've tested it. It is absolutely amazing. So all your follow-ups going to be done, your text, emails, direct messages, and now all your calls are handled as well. So everything on out front, if you're using your VA for, you can stop with just these 2 platforms. Number 2. So how many team leads or high producing agents, you're talking to somebody, maybe it's an agent that you're thinking about bringing on board or a potential client, and they want to schedule something and it's like, hold on, let me look at my calendar. Or maybe you have an assistant or a VA that's handling your appointments. Another AI tool that's going to get rid of all that pairs your calendar smartly and fills in the blank times is Reclaim.ai. So the good thing about Reclaim.ai is it's going to pair with your calendar. It's going to auto book appointments. So again, if you need to book an appointment with the agent that you're thinking about bringing onto your team, it can do that. It can also respond to emails automatically. So again, what you were having your VA do, or maybe your assistant do, looking at your calendar, all this back and forth, checking times, this is going to pair with your calendar and fill it smartly. The best thing about it is, again, you can also time block. Okay, so if you're time blocking a date night, or if you're time blocking working out, or you're time blocking calling, which you shouldn't have to do because we talked about automated cold calls, or if you're time blocking social media creation, which again, you shouldn't have to do now because we're going to talk about that in a minute, but it can time block everything. It'll fill in all your blank spots wherever you want it to fill in. It's like an assistant in your pocket. So let's talk about automatic trainings, automatic onboardings, automatic content creation for number 3. So you've heard me talk about HeyGen before. Another platform you can use is Synthesia. So how this is going to benefit you, again, it can take a preloaded video and your voice and turn it into hours of training systems or different content pieces without you having to waste time filming it. Okay, so you'll never have to say, hey, what do I do with the CRM platform here? Or what do I say in this buyer's consultation? Or how do I get a house ready to show? Or what do I need to do at an open house? You can take one picture or one video and turn it into either yourself as an avatar and preload all that stuff, either custom via your script or have ChatGPT write it. Or you can do one of the countless automatic preloaded avatars that are already on a platform and use them. And again, you'll just send it to your team, send it to clients. It's already done for you. Now, what about the content creation side of it? You can use it for short form. You can use it for long form videos, but I prefer short form. But now all of a sudden you have to write the captions and remember to post it. Maybe that's what you have your VA do. Nope, that's going to be taken care of next. So now I'm going to give you 3 tools. You can use 2 of them together, or you can kind of pick and choose. Okay, again, I'm just coming at you with fire. So please subscribe to the channel and like the content. It's going to help me grow and keep me motivated. So what you can do is you can use a tool called Cast Magic, or Koya, or Metricool. And what these are going to do is a kind of combination of different things. So For example, you can take a preloaded video that you already recorded yourself or use HeyGen for, upload it to Metricool or Akoya, and it's going to come up with captions for you. It can also schedule out to post on different platforms. You can also use Cast Magic to repurpose content for virtually every platform. Okay, so if you have a voice memo or something like that, you can re-record something, and Cast Magic is going to turn that into a piece of content, and then it can repurpose to all the different platforms. So you don't have to worry about taking things individually and posting it here or there, or coming up with a bunch of different content. One piece of content of like a 3-minute, maybe like podcast clip, if you're into podcasting, you can use Cast Magic for and come up with like 15 different pieces of content. Okay, so the last one, again, none of these are in particular order, it's just for you to kind of pick and choose which one may work for you. This one is a big one, okay? And use it with caution like any AI, because you're now dealing in legality things and a ton of other options. But if you want to use it in partnership to make your VA or TC's job easier, you can also do that. So this is Glide AI. So Glide can essentially do your transaction management for you. It can come up with offer, dates, timelines, and everything in between. So if you do have your VA running your transaction coordination, or if you do have a TC, this may be something you want to look at. Glide AI is specifically built for this, okay? So again, it can prep your contract, can manage disclosures and send those out. It's going to come up with all the timelines needed. It's going to manage your whole transaction, okay? The good thing about it too is it also fills in missing data or missing information. So we're all human, right? So a lot of times somebody will miss something. So a signature, initial, a date, something may be missing. Glide will red flag it for you and make sure that gets straightened out before it goes out. There you have it, folks. Those are 5+ AI tools that are going to be designed to help you save money and get some time freedom back without spending thousands of dollars a month on a VA or an assistant. If you don't want to build any of these yourself and you want access to all our free tools, comment AI down below. We have plug and play systems that have helped thousands and thousands of agents across the globe get their time freedom back, step away from the business, and just plug and play systems. So if you enjoyed this content, like and subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and we'll see you on the next one.